Welcome to BitBoy Crypto, the largest crypto channel in all the interwebs. My name is Ben. Every day on this channel, I show you how to make money in crypto. If you like money in crypto in one floppy hair, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Guys, today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. The whole market is led by Bitcoin. We've all known this for a long time, and it's never been as evident as it is now. And we're going to be discussing a couple of things. Number one, something that just formed on the chart yesterday. And number two, something that a lot of people have pointed out that is extremely interesting that you need to be paying attention to. And a price target that I'm seeing over and over and over and over again that we should be paying attention to as well. I'm a little late with this video today. I got the Demon back. It had been parked at TJ's house. Well, ever since I got the TRX, I'm getting my driveway widened this week so I can fit all of my cars in my driveway. But excited to have the Demon back, man. I really love driving fast. Not too fast, Mr. Officer. Not too fast. But here's the thing, guys. I also want to discuss something that Elon Musk said at the end of this video that I thought is this guy. I just can't with this guy. But let's start by talking about the price of Bitcoin right now. Ethereum also starting to look pretty bullish. Maybe seeing a scenario where Ethereum bounces back even harder than Bitcoin, which would be pretty interesting. I think I got a fuzz on my camera there. What a glare that is. I look like an angel. Look at that. But guys, the price of Bitcoin right now coming in about $38,400 at the time of this recording. Now, we need to see Bitcoin get above 39,000 and then ultimately above 42,000 and then 45 to retake and restake its claim. Yesterday, on Around the Blockchain, we pointed out that as we were dumping before the show hit the air at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we pointed out that the green dot on Market Cipher had disappeared. Well, that dot prints, it's, I think, between 7:30 and 8. I think about 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time right now. It's a little bit different because of the time, when we have daylight savings time here and stuff like that, it changes. I think it was 7, but now it's 8. Now, the point is this. It disappeared yesterday, but right before the daily candle confirmed, Market Cipher reprinted the large green dot, and it is still there. We got confirmed large green dot on the daily. That is huge. The last one we had was September of 2020, and we all know what happened since that time. The prices, well, let's just say they went up 542% at the peak. Now, where are we going in the short term for Bitcoin? Well, there are people that are out there that are throwing out some crazy scenarios. Now, of course, if you want to get access to Market Cipher or you want to get access to any of our deals, whether it's TokenMetrics, Market Cipher, if you want to take advantage of this information and trade, whether you do it on Femex with a $2,000 deposit bonus or ByBit with a $1,610 deposit bonus, time is running out for those. Make sure to sign up today. You visit bitboycrypto.com/deals. But let's get back to the point at hand here, because a target I'm hearing a lot of people saying over and over and over again is 70K. And that sounds crazy at this point, right? Sounds absolutely insane to think that Bitcoin by the end of May, some people are saying, will hit 70K. Now, I know it sounds like opium. I'm very aware of that, trust me. Ultimately, do I believe that 70K is going to hit in May? I don't. But could it? Are we seeing a pattern right now developing that is going to push Bitcoin way, way, way back up? The long and the short of it is this. If, in fact, what we just saw was intense, 100% coordination, this thing is shaking, and we get a total V-shaped recovery, then sure, we could absolutely see that. We do know we've been looking at a lot of the manipulation. I'm not going to get too much back into that in the coordination because we've talked at that ad nauseum in the last few days. But just know, 70K is a number a lot of people are looking at and saying that it is about to explode right back up. Personally, I probably see it taking about 4 to 6 weeks, but I do think it can return to that number as long as we're not in a bear market. Now, are we in a bear market? We keep asking this question. Well, if you look at the 2017 bull run and you look at the bull run we just had, it's very interesting. When you compare those charts and you lay them over each other on day 372 of the 2017 Bitcoin bull run, it had a dramatic dip on that day. An absolute crash. Now, it wasn't a 40% crash. We know there wasn't a 40% crash during that bull run at all. Other than the very, very, very beginning, I think there was a 42%. But guess what, guys? On day 373 of this bull run, we got the same style of crash. So people that are saying that, there's no relationship between this bull run, that bull run, and this one is completely over, I think you need to go look at that chart, because when you look at the chart, it's been shared over and over again on Twitter, you will see that there definitely is an eerie similarity between this bull run and that bull run, crashed on like the same day almost. 372, day 372 versus day 373. So really hard to believe that it looks that much alike. If you've seen this chart, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And this hair has grown to like 7 hairs. 7 hairs. What am I supposed to, you know what? Sometimes you just got to thank the Lord that you have hair. I know some of you guys don't. I'm sorry. Sorry about that. I'm sure you look great bald. But I got to fix that hair. It looks crazy. Okay, so let's get to the last thing I wanted to mention. Well, before I get to the Elon Musk thing, I do want to get to one other point about the chart, which is, if you watch the monthly chart, what you would see is in 2017, we had a large red monthly candle. I think it was in September. Large red monthly candle. And then after that, the prices resumed and we had 3 months of parabolic rise. Okay? Be interesting. If we end May in red, that will give us the first 2 red monthly candles over the last 8 months, right? We had 6 consecutive green candles for the monthly. So what's interesting here is if we get 2 red candles here in a row, and then we got 3 more months of parabolic action, and then the market crashed like it should, that put us right at the end of September. Pretty interesting stuff. So we'll have to see what happens if we can resume continuing on the same path that we were on before. And don't be mistaken, guys. There was an 83% drop in the 2013-2014 bull market. So we'll just have to see if we can start climbing back up. I certainly am in the camp that does not believe this is the end of the market, but there will be an end of the market at some point one day. So last thing I want to discuss, Elon Musk tweeted that he believes right now there is a war rising up between fiat and crypto. And he said he favors the latter. I don't know why he wants to climb. Is he a roofer? Come on. Of course, ladder, L-A-T-T-E-R, referring to crypto. He favors crypto over the traditional financial system. Great, Elon. We're proud of you. So it's to the point where even when he says stuff that I agree with, even when he says stuff that's pro-crypto, it's like, what are you really trying to do? What are you doing, Elon? So interestingly enough, and we called this, we said that this was going to happen. We're seeing Elon having a less and less and less effect on the market with his tweets. And I think we'll continue to see that till he fades to obscurity with his comments about crypto. I do think that we will see that. So, guys, I got to run. I got to get some ice. We're heading to my boys' ball games today. All-Star tournament. We won last night. Kid got the game-winning hit. No big deal. I'm just saying. But we run ruled him. It was just the last hit. It was the last hit. He got a hit. Got an RBI. Hit one all the way to the fence. And whew, that was dangerous. All the way to the fence. So excited to go see my boy play some ball today. We'll see what happens there. It'll be fun no matter what. All right, guys. That's all we got. Be blessed. Good boy out.